What is your name?
I'm Sandra Roncal.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old now.
Are you married or single?
Single parent mom.
How many children do you have?
I have one son now.
How old is your son?
8 years old now.
Who will take care of him if you go and work in Hong Kong?
My sister and my brother mom.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 8 brothers mom and 4 sisters mom.
What is your number in the family?
I have 12 mom.
You are number 12?
Number 10.
Okay. What is your highest educational attainment?
High school mom.
Do you have experience abroad?
Nothing mom.
Okay. Do you have experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines?
Yes mom.
Okay. What are your job duties and responsibilities with your employer?
To care of children.
Okay. How many children?
1.
How old is the child?
7 years old mom.
Did you do the household chores?
Yes mom.
Do you know how to operate electrical household appliances?
Yes mom.
Such as?
Washing machine, electric fan, oven.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to support my only child.
Okay. Do you have experience in taking care of pets?
Yes mom.
What kind of pets?
Dog mom.
How about cats?
Yes mom.
Do you have experience in taking care of bedridden persons?
Yes mom.
How do you take care of a bedridden person?
Go to bathroom, change diaper. All mom.
Okay. Do you know how to do massage also? Massage.
I'm too willing to learn mom.
Okay. This is your first time to work abroad.
Yes.
How are you going to adjust with homesickness? If you feel homesick, what you will do?
Pray mom. Pray
Yes.
to God.
Okay. So what can you promise to your future employer in Hong Kong?
I want to do my best to satisfy my performance.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes mom.
Can you also promise not to borrow money from any financing company in Hong Kong?
Yes mom.
Okay. Good luck to you. Hope you will get employed soon.
Thank you mom.